Yeah, hello guys, hello everyone. All member of Tomcat Lovers Reborn community and all people watching us right now. Welcome again to Tomcat Lovers official YouTube channel and let's go to review an amazing project. It's Graffiti project guys. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's start. You can visit the website on the graffiti.ethereum XYZ. And yeah, you can visit the website and let's review this project together. Okay, let's start. Okay, so what exactly is the Graffiti project? Okay, Graffiti is an Ethereum-based art graffiti project that aims to combine urban graffiti art with the blockchain technology. The goal of the project is to create a decentralized platform where artists can display their work in the city and record and protect the ownership and identity of these artworks through the blockchain. So this project is will be useful for the artists, guys. And yeah, so in the Graffiti project, artists can use the Graffiti application, create and upload their work. The application offers a variety of drawing tools and effects that allow artists to create a rich and diverse range of graffiti works in a virtual environment. And artists can choose to display their work publicly or set it as private so that only certain people can see it. Yes, as well on the recording information about the artwork, the blockchain also allows graffiti works to be traded and resold. Each work is converted into in non-homogenized token (NFT), which means that each work is unique and can be bought and sold on the market. When work is resold, the original artist receives a royalty or commission from it, which provides an additional financial return for the artist. In the future, graffiti plans to develop an urban graffiti campaign that will allow artists to work in real urban environment. Yeah, so that's very amazing. And this will add a more artistic atmosphere to the city and attract more people to participate and appreciate graffiti art. At the same time, the urban graffiti works will be recorded on the blockchain, ensure traceability of their identity and ownership. And the Graffiti project also offers an emoji creation feature that allows users to turn their doodles into emoji packs and share them with others. Users can select and edit their favorite doodles in the Graffiti application and then turn them into emojis that can be used in chat application. This feature provides a platform for users to create and share personalized emojis. Users can customize their emoji by selecting different doodles, resizing and adding effects once an emoji is created. User can save it to their device and use it in various chat applications like a Telegram or etc. With Graffiti's emoji creation features, users can incorporate their creativity and personality into their chats, adding to the fun and versatility of communication and expressions. It also provides an avenue for artists to showcase and promote their work, enabling more people to appreciate and use their artwork. Yes, so that's very amazing and very useful project for the artists. We can share about our creativity. We share about our creativity in the ecosystem and share to the people. And yeah, so this project is very useful and amazing as I said. And so this is the utility and how you get the graffiti utility. Yes, you can connect your wallets. You can create first if you don't have yet. You can download MetaMask or your wallet of choice from the application store or Google Play Store for free. Desktop users download the Google Chrome extension by going to MetaMask.io or etc. You have to get some Ethereum because for the gas fee, and after that you can go to Uniswap, connect to Uniswap with your wallet, and confirm that MetaMask or your wallet for a wallet signature, and you can sign and switch Ethereum for Graffiti. So you can buy this token, buy Graffiti token by converting Ethereum to Graffiti token. Each redemption of Graffiti represent an increase in the value of the Graffiti, guys. Okay, so let's go to the next. Okay, so that's about the project, the fusion, mission, and all about the project and how to connect, how to get the utility. So let's go with the tokenomics next. Okay, for future marketing, They do not intend to set taxes in Ethereum. They intend to grow in the long term. So 0% tax is very amazing, guys. It's for free taxes, and this can attract more people to join and make the ecosystem more growth and can support to grow in the future, guys. No taxes is good. Yes, I agree with that statement. Okay, so let's go the next for the roadmap. There is three phase on the roadmap, guys. Maybe I can zoom out. Okay. Yeah, there is a three phase on the roadmap. Okay, first one is Ethereum launch, community building, marketing, ecosystem management, and the phase two, mass marketing, cross-chain, bridge launch, ecology building, and GameFi release. And the phase three, sorry, maybe again, yeah, and the phase three, landing on 50 checks. Okay, media coverage, hot market, community events, and Europe. Okay, so we can know that from the roadmap they have very nice and smart step, nice strategy to grow, to support, to make this project become fantastic with the roadmap, guys. Yeah. Okay. So okay, so that's all the roadmap. And yeah, if you want to know the secret of the graffiti, you can join. You can learn more about the fun of the graffiti. With join the army and you let the world be filled with their markets. Yeah, you can visit the official Telegram and Twitter and all social media of the graffiti project, guys. If you still have a question, you can join and you can drop your question, and I believe the team behind this project will gladly to help you answer your question, guys. Okay, so for the main event that's already on the Graffiti project is the pre-sale on the Pink Cell Launchpad. Okay, so this is the page. Yeah, that will be starts on the 14th hours again. Yeah, so you make sure don't miss this opportunity, guys, because you can get many benefits from joining this event, guys. Okay, so the launch will, the fire launch will be launched on the Pink Launchpad, guys. Yeah, so they will raise 1 Ethereum for funding, and yeah, you can join. And yeah, you can join on the Pink Launchpad, guys. For the detailed information, you can see on the Pink Launchpad. Okay, maybe that's all of our review about this an amazing project, Graffiti project. This very useful and very innovative project for the an artist and for you who like art. Yes. Okay, so this is Young speaking from Tom Lovers. Don't forget to join the social of the graffiti for learn more deeply about the graffiti project, guys. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. This is Young speaking from Tom Lovers. Goodbye and see you again. Bye bye.